What's going on, guys? Just got home from work. Long day. Just long day. It's hot, it's muggy. We got a storm rolling in. Got to cut the grass before it rains. As much as I'd love to work on some machines tonight. Got an LTZ, got a golf cart. Banshee's in here for some work. Our machine needs some love. It needs a right rear wheel bearing. That'll be a video on its own. RNG Performance, as always, that's where we get all of our CF Moto parts from. Customers' machines, our machine. You name it. If they sell it, we're buying it. That's how it is. Support small businesses. That's how we grow. That's how they grow. Let's just take advantage of this. So, but anyways, got our package in today. Put that little leak on the Facebook today. Look what we got. We got some whip flags. Amazing quality. Outstanding. Two-sided. Nice and thick. Not paper thin. You order some of these Amazon flags, they just paper thin. You know, this material looks nice and easy to clean. We went ahead and got a UNI filter from RNG as well. Airflow, performance, you name it. Clean air for an engine is absolutely top over everything. You got a machine, you want to put some rims and tires on it, you want to do a bunch of other stuff, you want to lift it, you want to do all that. Step one, clutching. Step two, get your air flowing good. $100, yeah, a little expensive, but it's not overpriced. It's more expensive than your $40 factory filter, but remember, that's a paper filter. This has dual stages. We have foam on the outside, oil catches all that fine particulate dust right before it hits in there, and then it has another secondary filter. I'm not gonna open it right now. I'll open it, kind of show everything. So once we actually put it inside the machine. But hey, huge shout out to RNG Performance. Head on over to the website. Like, subscribe, and follow them. They are huge in the aftermarket world for CF Motos, even KOs now. They're doing lots and lots. So you guys gotta definitely check them out. Yeah, that'll be this video pretty much, I think. Unless there's something else. Oh yeah, there's a general that'll be in here. That's just getting some tires, a rear tire carrier. Oh, and we're gonna add some turn signal lights in the dash so he can see which way they're on when they're left and right. Well, yeah, as always, you guys gotta like, subscribe, and follow. Let's grow, let's build. Let's get this channel off the ground. Going to Pennsylvania later this month, that'll be awesome. It's gonna be cool. Lots of footage coming you guys' way. So, if you already subscribed, thanks. Keep coming back, we got more content. Catch you later.